What did you say? You don't want us to pull up and you guys be doing nothing?
That's basically what
Yeah. Well, we're coming to the rescue here, buddy. Don't worry.
Here, you get this in there?
We're coming. One way or another, we're gonna get this thing out of here. Zach looks like, why in the hell is this full-size rig coming down here?
I know.
We're coming. Yeah, we're not scared. All right, I'm gonna stop here and walk up, and then we'll assess. All right, bye. All right, these are the trips that I am thankful that I overpack, because as you can tell, we've got some stuff to do. So we're gonna see what we can do, help out where we can, and get Jerry back to safety. We're gonna try not to talk poo either, because you guys know I like to talk a little cheddar cheese sometimes. Let's do this recovery without any poo talking. He's here today for this recovery. This is Jerry. This is his pretty badass rig. Normally it doesn't break. Normally it's pretty together, knock on wood. But today he had a little bit of a malfunction. And you know what? It's part of wheeling. Every time we come out here, we all take chances. We take risks. And today...
Yeah, I know coming out here something's breaking. I'd say I had a good year all year. I haven't broken anything.
Yeah.
First fucking time I broke something.
Yeah.
So, you know.
So, and it's what, November? December? We're almost in December.
I haven't broken nothing all year. So,
yeah.
Hey, I always due for something to break.
Definitely. So we've got this thing pretty set up here. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and push out this ball joint. And then we're going to go ahead and shove a bolt through it. That's all we're going to be able to do to get it for now out of here. And worst case, we've got the Suburban
back there to drag me out.
Back there. We'll get this thing out one way or another.
We'll get it out.
With a smile or without, we'll get this out.
And I'll be back next weekend.
And back next weekend. We will be back next weekend too, so stay tuned. And you'll see the full video of Carl's rig.
Booyah.
But I'll try to keep his chewing out of it.
My word.
All right, let's get this thing pushed out.
Old ball joint.
All right, we've got this out here. We're gonna pull the axle. Go ahead and pull that axle out. And then basically what we're gonna do here is we're gonna push this ball joint completely down and out, and we're gonna knock these out. That's fine. Carl's over here talking poo. Remember at the beginning of the video where I said I'm gonna try not to talk poo? I'm not gonna let Carl talk me poo. Talk me poo. So we're gonna smack this out with a hammer, and we've got a bolt over here. It's okay.
I got the axle shaft.
Shaft's out.
Shaft's out.
All right, let's get this rolling.
We got
Well, we had to leave the Jeep down. I'll show you guys. I'll pick back up tomorrow. But we're gonna get out of here because the sun is starting to set. It's raining. Everything's slippery. It's getting cold.
I don't know what they do.
Yeah, I think they just come out and piss people off and then go back.
I think they just
I am driving home, but we gotta go back in the morning. Well, the Suburban has been an absolute animal. I am not 100% sure where I left off yesterday, but we're gonna run to the shop and get another 35 tossed on here. I'm gonna pull the ones off of the Jeep now 100% for sure, because we need a full-size spare and we gotta go back and save that Jeep. I had to air down. Holy cow. I tried to go down through here on 35 pounds of air, and man, was this a brutal driving experience. Once I seen this rock bed and I know I got to go into more rocks, I decided we got to pull over and air down. So we are heading back, almost back to the Jeep here. And if you guys don't have one of these, you do off-roading, this is absolutely a must-have. I know you guys have seen it in my videos, but it is so simple to air down with this tool from Rough Country, and I think it's only like 19 bucks. Might even be cheaper than that. Go check it out. If you off-road or you plan to go off-roading, it is a true must-have. I go down to about 9 pounds in this thing. Probably a little soft. I should probably stay at like 11 or 12, but I like 9. 9, it rides like a Cadillac. Night and day difference. I wish I would have recorded. Maybe I'll air up and try to record going back through. But Mo, how is the ride quality now that we aired down? Way better, way smoother. So we're almost there. We made it through that last little course with ease. Of course, I should slow down and not just try to rush this, but the ride is so much better. I would have dropped the GoPro 5 times trying to record what I just was recording if it was aired up. But we're almost there. These trails are brutal too. Where he broke is kind of probably a top 3 worst spots to break at Rouse Street. Absolutely brutal coming down through here, and that tree literally just fell as I was coming. This is why you don't wheel by yourself, guys and girls. Not even exaggerating. I do this all the time, and I'll be honest, back here by myself, I'm a little puckered up, but I got to keep going. We're about, where are we here to these guys? We are almost there. They are right here at where it says like otters. They're like right there with the arrow. So we got a little bit farther to go, but you should definitely never wheel like this by yourself. Well, that's absolutely infuriating. We lost another window over here, and I guess this window just doesn't want to be in place. And we lost the back left also, but we're making way. You can see there's one Jeep here, and then over here is the other guys. So we're almost there. All right, I've got it back here. We've got the ball joint pressed in. He found one at the dealer like a half hour up the road. This is Jerry again, but we got it back together. Let's get it all tossed back together. We've got Bernie and Zach here, and well, the Jeep never left. We all left and went to bed and showered and that, right. And now we're back. So and just like that, I got all my tools put away. I accidentally opened this door and dropped glass. I'm not cleaning that up, but we've got him back up and going. Mo had my GoPro there. Huge shout out to Mo. If everybody makes it this far in the video, say thanks, Morgan, for carrying the GoPro for me, and she carried 2 little tools back for me. So we're gonna go up here, get him out of here, coast him out, and then we'll turn around and guide him out the rest of the way. But so far, it's a success. And yes, I'm winded and out of shape, and he still has to cross all of this, but he should be good. It's pretty built rig, especially now he's got a brand new ball joint. He'll be all right. Before I kick into this video, I just want you guys to know, like, this is the stuff that I had to travel in the Suburban to get to him here. So now that we got his wheel and everything on, roll the footage. Well, that looks so much better than when I got here. Plus, I'm gonna let you guys pick these guys apart. They are stacking rocks to allow this guy to get out of here, which is a cheat. We don't stack rocks where I come from. The sun is about to set, so just do what you gotta do.
Nice. Hold on.
Just
no, we're gonna down and to the left a little bit. We're gonna stay to the right of the dead tree. We're gonna kind of like skate around that stuff. Let me go down.
Yeah, where he said you're almost gonna drive left down and then come in behind me. Don't go straight. Yeah. I can hear the dust shield rubbing a little bit, but that's not my problem. He's on all 4 and he can drive out of here. The heck with that dust shield. I still want to find that ball joint thing. I seen that. That was the top of the ball joint that I tried to cut off to make a shim yesterday. Yeah.
Unless we can hit his tire on that. I think it'll hit.
Go right up over.
Right there, nice and gentle. Gentle. Yep. Keep climbing right there. Now come back. Come back. There you go.
It really is amazing what these things will endure too. They're walking him out. I'm gonna go get turned around a while. I'm in a terrible spot, and then we're gonna get out.
Right there, straight. Hold up.
Yep, turn passenger. Stay passenger. Come driver. Driver.
Straight through, right there. Straight
Yep.
through.
This is one of them hard parts too, when you got like 5 people telling them what to do. I always try to let people walk them, because it's just difficult. You got 10 different guys saying, go left, go right, go up, go down. So we're all at different angles too, so it all looks different, but it usually works out. I'm surprised that has not broken off yet either. But we're free. I'm gonna go ahead and end out this video here unless something else happens. If you like the content, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys at Rouse Creek sometime. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. Oh, never mind. He's high centered. Let's let this play out.
Rear. Yeah, come driver as you come forward. I might have to throw something just to get it over, but I think it'll be alright.
Go ahead, it'll climb. Yep.
There you go. Easy.
And now that I almost fell, goodbye. This here is why I keep catching my mirrors, or my windows, because these trees are leaning in, and as soon as they like touch, I just end up smashing it. As you can tell, I'm just too wide to be doing this stuff, but at all costs, see, like right there, it kissed it earlier because I was bouncing too much and just shattered my mirror, so, or my window. It is what it is, but it's just part of the game. Again, this rig is capable, as you can tell. It does get here. You just got to do a little driving. Little driving on 40s or 37s, this might be a little easier, but on a 35, this is definitely not where I should be. But let's get out. Get excited! Get excited!
Why?
Because now we only got blue trails and we should be good. Oh, wait a second. I don't see Jerry. Oh, he's coming. All right, we shouldn't celebrate, I guess, till we're out, but we're pretty much home free now, guys and girls. We are on a blue trail, and both rigs are definitely capable now at this point. So, are you excited, Mel?
Kinda.
Kinda? Yeah.
I like that.
Well, we gotta do what we gotta do to help people out when they need it. So, ooh, that's probably why we lost the cooler yesterday, wasn't it? Remember that you said the cooler was hanging? Yeah. All right, plug and chug. We're home free. Ish. What a sight to see. We have made it to the main office. And he gets to drive on under his own power. I probably said it 10 times, but now all the guys are back. Now I'll leave because I won't leave a man behind. But what a day. We're all back in one piece and can all drive home happy to see our family.